Hello guys, another short video, this time about the GoPro 10 Hero Black GoPro 10. It's not actually for the camera, which I'm actually filming with that at the moment, so I can't even show it to you. It's about the batteries that came with it. Now this one is the battery that came with the GoPro 10. 1720 milliamp hours. I don't think you can get any bigger ones than these, but I might be wrong. I haven't looked to find any bigger ones, but anyway, I used this one just to test it out. It lasted for, I think it was about 40 minutes. I was quite happy with it. Now it's brand new, obviously. I've seen other videos that people say that they don't let it even last 20 minutes. Now obviously maybe they're older ones, so I wouldn't expect it to last any long. I mean, they deteriorate slowly. So anyway, so I just wanted to find a way to film longer videos with a battery that lasts longer. I'm doing a lot of fishing, so I just wanted to film something that lasts a bit longer, you know, so I don't have to change batteries all the time. Now I was looking for a way, I was looking for a battery, but I can't find one, so I thought another way to actually get a bit longer life from a battery. Now I was thinking to use one of these. Now this is from an old power wall that I used in the past, and I'm actually powering this the GoPro 10 from this one right now. It's a bit, you know, not the best connection here, but I'm just trying it out, trying to find out if it works. Now it works all right. I will show you how I did and what I did just to get it powered up by one of those. Now this one is actually I think if I remember well, 65 watt hours, 65 amp hours actually. It runs now for quite a bit, and you know, no problems with it. So I'll just show you what I've done, and it might give you help you to solve that problem with the battery. So here we are. That's the little adapter that I was talking about. Did I? Oh, anyway, that's the little adapter that I've done on my 3D printer, PLA plus whatever. So what this does, it's actually the same size as the battery, exactly the same size, and what we do is we're using this cover which comes out from the battery here. When you get all the stickers out, that comes out. Now actually what I've done is I had an old battery that it wasn't the best, so I sacrificed the battery to make this one. So what you do is you take all the stickers out, you take the cover out, and then you can see this little BMS there sitting right under this cover. So you get that BMS out, as you can see. It's got those two wires there. You just cut them and you get it out. So as you can see, what I've done is I'll take this out slowly so I don't break it. I've done this printout, PLA, okay, 2 holes there for the cables, a little groove there so the cables can run on the side. So that's all, really, that's all it is, you know. So what you do is I'll just put it back again quickly. It goes here, Alright, this goes there. I forgot to tell you, when you're looking at the BMS on the connector side, that's the minus, and that's the plus at the back. Alright, so you just push it back in. Alright, like that. That sits at the back there. Just put the cover on. Just put the cover on here, like that. And that's it. And then the bottom, just push the cables in the groove. Put that on the top, and that will help you pull the adapter out. So what you do is you put tape around here, and it's done. Now one other thing is the cables that you're using. Here I'm using thin cables, so they can go easily inside and solder them on the existing terminals of the BMS. After that, you probably want to use a thicker gauge wire because of voltage drop and stuff. If you having the battery like a meter or 2 meters away, you need to use something, a thicker cable. That's the one I'm using here. It's probably 16 gauge cable, and it's a good way, so you don't have any voltage drop. You're talking about 4.2 volts now or something like that. If you're using thin cables, it's not going to work well. So that's what it is. I hope it helps you or gives you an idea, and that might solve your problem. It solved mine, and it works really good. What I'm going to do is on the bottom there's a link with my HDL file for this little adapter. If you want to use it, you're welcome. And that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.